Great Gadgets offers a variety of useful gadgets for tracking your projects in a truly agile way. The Worklog Reports and Timesheets Gadget is a great tool that allows you to report on time logged in Jira and visualize data in pivot tables, heat map tables, or charts of various types, making it easier to understand how time is distributed across projects, team members, and work items. Now, let's see some examples. Let's say you want to display the total time spent by each team member in each project. To do this, at Data Source, select a filter or enter a JQL that returns all the work items from your projects. Then, enter a time range for which the data will be displayed. At Fields, select the required fields for this statistic: Project, Worklog Author, and Worklog Time Spent. You can now start building the report. Drag and drop the Worklog Author field to the rows area, then add the Project field to the column area to break the information by projects. Because we want to see how many hours each member has spent in each project, we need to change the calculation method to sum of worklog time spent. Note that during configuration, the gadget will generate some random dummy data and display a preview based on it. Click Save. And there you go. The table is now displayed on the dashboard and shows the total time worked by each member in each project. If you want this table displayed as a heat map, just edit the gadget and choose Heat Map Table instead of Simple Table. And look! The information is now displayed in a heat map table. If you prefer a chart instead of a table, just edit the gadget and choose the appropriate chart type. For this case, the multiple pie chart is perfect. And look! The information is now displayed in a visual chart. Let's look at another example. Let's say you want to display a report with worklog comments by author, along with the total time spent. After entering a data source and a time range, we will configure the gadget using a preset. If you don't know where to start, the gadget has some preset configurations for common use cases you can choose from. For this example, we will choose the Worklog Comment by Author preset. As you can see, the gadget configures automatically with the needed fields and arranges them accordingly in a preview generated using some random dummy data. The presets can be further customized, so you can always add other fields if you want. For example, let's also add the issue type field to the table. And you can also select a filtering option. If you go to the More Settings tab, there are more settings you can customize, such as changing the date formats and time units, or adding total, percentage, or average rows and columns to the table. Click Save. And there you go. The table is now displayed on the dashboard and shows real-time statistics based on worklog data. And remember, this gadget is highly configurable, so you can customize it to fit your needs. Don't miss the opportunity to easily organize your data and display worklog statistics with this awesome gadget.